Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I will go over what a recession is and how it might affect you. Let's get started. You may have seen recession defined as 2 consecutive quarters of decline in real GDP. But what does it really mean when we say the economy is in recession? And who gets to make that call? In simple terms, a recession is a time of significant slowdown in economic activity throughout the country over the course of several months. This is when you tend to see a jump in unemployment, stock market losses, and distress across different industries. And in response to the economic downturn, both consumers and businesses will typically try to cut spending and costs. Recessions are generally hard to predict. A lot of times we may not even know we're in one until you start to see its impact. Declines in personal income, employment numbers, industrial production and wholesale retail sales volume. While many may try to forecast recessions using these economic indicators, it's the official job of the National Bureau of Economic Research's Business Cycle Dating Committee, NBER, to determine the start and end dates of U.S. recessions. How might a recession affect your job? Companies typically try to cut costs when business slows down. As a result, people could see smaller paychecks because of reduced work hours. Some may even lose their jobs if companies decide to further cut down their payroll. This is why economists pay close attention to the unemployment rate when trying to determine whether we're in a recession. Growing unemployment is often a sign of economic trouble and can signal further challenges ahead. How a recession can affect your ability to pay bills. As people bring home less money or lose their income, bills such as credit card payments and mortgages may start to pile up, causing financial stress. Some may lose their homes, cars or other assets when they can't pay on time. And others may have to take on more debt to pay for essentials. In the face of these financial pressures, people are likely shopping and eating out less to save money. The drop in consumer spending can hurt businesses large or small, which could lead them to cut even more hours or jobs. In this way, recession can create a vicious cycle that can make hard times worse. Be sure to watch my video on 10 ways you can save money during a recession. How long does a recession typically last? Recessions can be nerve-wracking, but they don't last forever and are an expected part of the business cycle. Still, it's often hard to tell how long a recession will last, since no two are exactly the same. The cause, scope and duration can vary. For example, they may be relatively short. The 1980 recession lasted 6 months. Or they could be more prolonged. The 2008 financial crisis lasted 18 months. But regardless of how long it may last, a recession can affect us all in some way. Regardless of what's going on in the world, always remember that everything comes to pass, so try not to worry about things too much. I hope this video was some help to you. Please be sure to like the video and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.